Hi friends, I welcome you all at Crack Grade B. As you know that we are covering multiple choice question series for this upcoming Food Safety Standard Authority Recruitment 2021. And we are running this series for covering your functional knowledge part of your syllabus. And this is part 6 of our series. If you have not seen the previous part, you can visit our website or you can visit our channel on YouTube and you can search these most important multiple choice question on YouTube. You will find some previous part, that is 1 to 5. And this is part 6 for today, and today we will discuss some important questions. Friends, we are providing this course at ₹1699. Now we have reduced its price. We are offering 70% discount on this Food Safety Standard Authority of India courses, and you can purchase Food Safety Standard Authority for this CFSO or Technical Officer at ₹499 only, and you will find some PDFs, videos and 10 mock tests with this amount. And if you want to purchase only test series, then you can purchase this test series at ₹199, and you will find 10 most important mock tests under this test series. For more update, you can visit our website, that is www.crackgradeb.com. And these are our star performers which has been selected in RBI Grade B 2020 exam, and these are our star performers. Friends, let's start with this question, that is thermal death time required to destroy a Salmonella bacteria. This bacteria is related to food processing industry, and you have to identify that at which temperature and for how much time we will put this temperature to kill this bacteria. Your options are 100 Fahrenheit for 1.5 minutes, 140 Fahrenheit for 5.5 minutes, 140 Fahrenheit for 3.5 minutes, or 170 Fahrenheit for 4.5 minutes. So first of all, its answer will be C, that is, if you will keep the temperature at 140 Fahrenheit and for 3.5 minutes, then you are able to kill this Salmonella bacteria. Now you will see some features of this Salmonella, or how it affects the human and why it is important to kill this Salmonella bacteria. First of all, this Salmonella infection is usually caused by eating raw or undercooked meat, poultry, eggs or egg products. Its incubation period range from several hours to 2 days, and this most Salmonella infections can be classified as a stomach flu, that we can set it as a gastroenteritis, or its possible sign and symptoms include nausea, vomiting, abdominal cramp, diarrhea, fever, chills, headache, blood in the stool. So it is very dangerous to eat this bacteria in the form of undercooked meat or poultry eggs or egg product. Now, what is the meaning of this thermal death time? This thermal death time is a time that required that how long it takes to kill a specified bacterium at a specified temperature, right? And it was originally developed for food canning and has found applications in cosmetics, producing Salmonella free feed for animals, example poultry, and in the pharmaceuticals. So this time that time required is, if you are heating or increasing a temperature for any product, up to what time or up to what temperature, and at this time and at this temperature if any bacteria is killing, then we can say that this is the thermal death time for any bacteria. I think this concept will be clear. Now our second question is, when bacteria are grown in a closed system like test tube is called as ATP, adenosine triphosphate photometry, polymerase chain reaction, batch culture, or Western blot. It is a very scientific question or technical question, we can say. So you have to identify when bacteria are grown in a closed system like test tube, then it is called ATP, polymerase chain reaction, batch culture, or Western blot. So first of all, friends, this answer will be C. It is known as the batch culture. So you can see here is that when bacteria are grown in a closed system, it is known as the batch culture. We know that the production of bacteria we are doing in industry for the use of these bacteria in pharmaceuticals, and these bacteria can be used in other system also. So if you are producing a bacteria in a closed system, then this is known as the batch culture. And this is the stage of any bacteria. This is called bacteria production. This is called lag. This is called exponential. This is called stationary, and this is called death. So if you will produce any bacteria in any container or in any process, then first it will lag, then it will increase exponentially because its binary fission will start. Then a stage comes, then it will become stationary. And if you will try to produce more bacteria, then it will not produce, then it will go into the death stage because whatever nutrient you are providing to these bacteria is not sufficient for their growth. So these are the four stages for the production of bacteria. But if you are producing any bacteria or you are growing any bacteria in a closed system, then this is known as the batch culture, and this was our question, right? This answer will be C. And this is the third question for today. You have to identify the process amongst these options, that this process is for extracting a substance from a solid material that dissolved in a liquid. Extracting a substance from a solid material that is dissolved in a liquid. Your options are canning, leaching, pasteurization, or blanching. This process is known as the extracting a substance from a solid material that is dissolved in a liquid. So first of all, its answer will be B. It is known as the leaching, and this leaching is the process of extracting substance from a solid by dissolving them in a liquid, either naturally or in an industrial process. So this is a typical diagram. This is a solvent, this is a polymer, and this is the mold. This portion is mold, and you are pouring this solvent into this mold. Then this porogene, and after evaporation of the solvent, you will find this product, and the porogene is dissolved, and you will find this porous structure is obtained, and this whole process is known as the leaching. And leaching is the process of extracting substance from a solid by dissolving them in a liquid, either naturally or through the industrial process, right? And it's a very important process in any food industry. That's why I have put this question here. And our fourth question is the fourth in high temperature short time pasteurization. It is HTST. is a very simple question. And milk is heated to, your options are 22.8 degree for 20 minutes, 42.8 degree for 15 minutes, 62.8 degree for 30 minutes, or 71.7 degree for 50 seconds. You have to identify under this high temperature short time pasteurization, what is in this process, milk is heated up to which temperature or up to what time. First of all, friends, this answer will be D. because this 20 minute, 50 minute and 30 minute is a very huge time. Actually it is used for a very short time. That is, the word goes, if you will find that high temperature short time, then it is for very short time. And this temperature is, the temperature for this short time is 71.7 degrees centigrade. So the most common method for pasteurization in the United States or in our country also is a high temperature short time pasteurization. And under this uses metal plates and hot water to raise milk temperature to at least 161 degree Fahrenheit. You will convert it in a degree centigrade. You will find able to find it. It will be 71 degree, and the time should be 15 seconds. And after that, you have to rapidly cool it. And this is the whole process for this high temperature short time. And this is for pasteurization of the milk. So our answer is 71.7 degree for 15 seconds. Right. Now the last question for today, that is the fifth question. And this organic food that are labeled as organic need to contain at least, you have to identify the ingredients, that how much percentage of ingredient should be present in a organic food except for the added water, salt, plus they must not contain any sulfite added as a preservative. So if you are saying that food is organic food, then ingredient of this organic or organic ingredient should be present in how much percentage? Your options are 95%, 85%, 65% or 75%. First of all, its answer will be A, that is 95%. So if any product is labeled as 100% organic or organic, then product label as 100% organic must contain only organically produced ingredients and processing aids, excluding water and salt. And they should not contain other ingredients or additives are permitted. It also says that product label organic must contain at least 95% organically produced ingredients excluding water and salt, and any remaining ingredient must consist of non-agricultural substance that appear on the NOP national list of allowed and prohibited substance. So its answer will be 95%. At least minimum it should contain 95% of the organic produce. Answer is A. So it was all from my side today, friends. I will come up with more videos. Till then, thank you and happy learning. पढ़ते रहिए, मेहनत करते रहिए.